Hello, my name is Jale. Today I want to show you how to sit a band on a tooth. Mark gingiva margin with a sharp pencil. Mark the line in the interproximal area as deep as possible. When the preparation of the tooth is completed, this line must be there. That shows that you have not trimmed clinical crown. Cut to the mesial and distal of the tooth to be banded. The cut should be a minimum of 5 millimeter. These two lines that I already marked. This cut is made as close as possible to the gingival margin of the tooth. You can cut the tooth adjacent to the tooth being banded. The cut may be made with a saw or a cutting disc. This is the saw. Or these cuttings wheel. The mesial and distal cut should angle slightly toward each other. I prepare a drawing for you. As you see, if you make the cut in mesial and distal far away from each other, this is incorrect. If you cut it straight, this is the minimum required, and if you angle it toward each other, it's the perfect correct one that we need. Using round burr to remove a stone beneath the gingival margin. This is the one that I use. And the final trimming is done with the scalpel. This is the blade I like better than the straight ones. Okay, now I show you how I do it. Always wear your mask and your eye protection before you do any cutting or trimming. Now I use the round burr. Okay, as you see, I then touch the line. The line is still there everywhere. If in any case you touch the line, don't ignore it. Just use another color pencil and mark it. At least you know in that area you cut a little bit of the crown, and when you're sitting a band, you know that you have to choose the band is a little bit bigger in that area. So now I use my scalpel. I don't want to um, work with a dry model. I always wet my model a little bit before I start to work. It's easier to cut. Make sure you don't have any ledge. And I always check it like this to see the undercut that I made, that nothing is sticking out. And when you look at the model like this from the top, from the line that you have, you don't have to see any stone beneath on the tacking on the tooth that you cut. That shows that you don't have any wrong angle. Nothing is out. Everything is like cutting toward each other, not out. Okay. And I check it with my knife too, and I see it. Yeah, that's finished. The preparation for sitting the band is finished, and you see I have my line everywhere.